What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have another unboxing, unbagging today. I have a new set of riding goggles from Kemimoto, and I specifically picked the clear visor so that I could wear these at night. As you can see, it's clear, the black frame. I've got these other ones that they kind of have like a reflective tint to them. And these are great for the sunlight, but I wanted something that I can wear at night. So I'm gonna try them on right now and see how they are with my other helmet. Nice and comfortable, fits perfectly inside the space here for the goggles on the helmet. Nice. I'm gonna have to go give them a try now. All right, so here we go. Kemimoto clear visor goggles, black frame. So far I can say that the wind is not getting through and hitting my eyes, which is, really the main reason why I wear goggles and things on my eyes, is so that my eyes don't water. A lot of times, my eyes will start watering once I hit like 20, 25 miles an hour. Up until then, I'm fine, but, it creates a problem for your vision when your eyes start to water. So a lot of times in the summer, I use just sunglasses, and that helps a great deal. You can still, if you're prolonged at like 30 plus miles an hour for a long time, your eyes might still water. But once it gets cool, I like the goggles. This is good, big field of vision, no truncated, whoa, big dead rat. No truncated, like, line of sight. Your peripherals are still good with this. I decided to wear my yellow helmet instead of my black motocross helmet for this review, mainly because I took the chin piece off of this helmet. It was annoying, and the visor kept fogging up. And I needed to switch to goggles because I didn't want to spend time and money trying to get one of those anti-fog up things for the front of the helmet. So I just took the visor off, took the chin piece off. It's a modular helmet, and this works out better for me, especially for vlogging in the colder months, because my mouth is unobstructed, so I can still speak and communicate with the camera. Idiots. And this helmet's nice and warm, and so like in the middle of winter when it's real cold, I usually just put something over my mouth, like a scarf or a neck wrap, something like that. But man, I gotta say, these goggles are great. Exactly what I wanted. These will be fine at night, in the dark, no tint. The tinted ones are great too, by the way. But, I already had a pair of those. So, Kemimoto, a slew of great products I've just tried out in the past couple of weeks. I'm a big fan. And it looks like they have some heated gear too, that I'm probably going to try out as the weather gets even colder, maybe a vest and socks, heated vest, heated socks, maybe heated gloves or something. I got to see. But yeah, I'm happy with this company, and I'll be using them more often for sure. So as usual, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, and as always, tell your fucking grandma.